Hello, second graders. Today we are going to learn the last spelling pattern for the long E sound. All right, I'm going to see if you can figure out what that last spelling pattern is. So to do that, we are going to read these words and you're going to listen to find out where do you hear the long E sound. Okay, if you don't know how to read these words with me, you can just listen and be listening for the long E sound. Remember that long vowels say their names. So listen for E. Candy, party, baby, story. Where did you hear that long E sound? At the end of each word. Candy, party, baby, story. Okay, so as you look at these, there's not an E in the word at all. There's a Y. The Y is the last spelling pattern for the long E sound, okay? So way back in like the second month of school, we added this card to our review deck. And when we see this card, we say I, like my and buy and fly. Guess what? This card, I know they look exactly the same. This card says E, like candy, party, baby, and story. This letter Y is so confusing because it can say Y, like yellow. It can say I, like my and buy and fly. And now we're learning it can also say long E, like candy, party, baby, and story. Okay? So now on your visual aids packet, underneath long E spelling choices, you're going to write this one as the last one, Y. And the keyword is candy, okay? The last spelling pattern for the long E sound is Y. It comes at the end of words. But wait, what about these words? Me, we, he, she. Those words have the long E sound at the end of them, but they're not spelled with Y. Why is that? The long E is spelled with a Y when it comes at the end of words that have more than one syllable. So these words are all those short one-syllable words. Me, we, he, she. Okay, remember one vowel sound, one syllable. Those are just E. They're like open syllable words. But if a word has more than one syllable, like candy, has two syllables, can and D are the two syllables, then it has a Y at the end, okay? So now let's practice. All the words we will tap out and spell today will be more than one syllable and they'll all have the long E sound at the end of them. So they're all gonna end with Y. Okay, the first word I want you to try to tap out is copy. So the first syllable is cop, k-op. And the second syllable is E spelled with a Y. So cop, C-O-P-Y, copy, C-O-P-Y. The second word I want you to try to spell is tiny. So the first syllable is an open syllable, it's tie, and then ni. So tie is t-I, T-I, and then ni, N-Y, tiny. The next word I want you to try to spell is plenty. So the first syllable is plen, P-L-E-N, P-L-E-N, and the second syllable is T, T-E. Sounds like it's just an E, but remember, it's spelled Y, T-Y, P-L-E-N-T-Y, plenty, plenty. The next word, let's try to spell pony. So the first syllable is an open syllable, po, P-O. And the second syllable, N-E, pony, P-O-N-Y. And the last word we're going to spell today is body. B-A-D, E. So bod, b-od, B-O-D-Y. All right. Nice job, second graders.